Tell me what you did today. You did? Wow, is it a nice bath? Uh-huh, and what did you do in your bath time? You did? Did you splash? Did you splash? Yeah? Oh, what's the matter? Got caught? You okay? Oh, so much talking. Uh-huh, you splashed? And did you play with your ducky? You did? Was that so fun? And then did you get to use your pink towel? Yeah. And what else did you do today? What else did you do? Did you play with Daddy? Yeah, Daddy. Uh-huh. And did you play on your mat? Yeah, you played on your mat. Well, thank you for telling me all of that. Oh, man. Such a good day. Such a good day. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Oh, camera's there. I didn't know I was being videoed.
Sorry about that, Amy Kate. Say bye. Or just stare at the camera.